where do you think AI has really been the most successful so far, and where do you see kind of the current big gaps in capabilities?
Yeah. Well, what these technologies have done at a conceptual level is that it's really made feasible the analysis and generation of unstructured data. And so that's, text, voice, images, video, etc. And why is that important? Well, it's because the world that we live in is an unstructured data world, right? We
Right.
live in a world of we communicate through voice and text. We generate these things. I'm, we've been forced to, when we interact with technology, to really circumscribe this and structure it in very artificial ways in order to be able to leverage any form of technology. And all of a sudden, that's been flipped on its head.